Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna Sophia if you're new here, and if you are new, please consider subscribing.
My husband and I are a military family who recently bought a house and moved from Scottsdale, Arizona to Washington, D.C. Come along with us as we decorate, organize, declutter, and deep clean this house on a budget from house to home.
So the next room I really needed to tackle was our master bathroom because it's always such a hot mess. I cannot seem to keep this little vanity area situation clean and clutter-free. I think it's because there's only one cabinet for both my husband and I, and there's not a good storage system set in place, so I definitely need to figure that out because it's not working so far, clearly. If I had to describe the rest of the bathroom in one word, it would just be basic. There's not really any personality, nothing really exciting is going on, so I definitely wanted to change that to kind of fit the vibe of the rest of the house. But before we start decorating, which is normally what I like to kind of do first, I need to clean this bathroom because it is so nasty. And just, I don't know about you guys, but given everything that's been going on in our world, I just feel like I need to have control over something. And this is the perfect opportunity to really just dive in and clean this shower and the rest of the bathroom from head to toe. Now that the bathroom was all clean, I could focus on decorating, which is always my favorite part. I couldn't do a ton in this room, but I did find these little shelves on Amazon. I'll link them below. And they're very cute, very tiny, but I just needed something that wasn't a picture in this room. So the picture and the candle I ended up finding from a thrift store, but the rug I'll make sure I link below. That's from Amazon, and I think it was 20 bucks, which is so affordable, really nice deal. Next up, it was time to organize under the sink, which I've been dying to do, so let's get right into it. So I just wanted to take absolutely everything out underneath there and then cover it all with contact paper, because the previous owners, they didn't replace all of the cabinetry, which was fine, but there was like all these weird marks from like, I think perfume or nail polish or whatever it was. So I just wanted to cover that and start with a clean slate. I've never used contact paper, but it was actually pretty user-friendly. I was surprised. Like if you made a mistake, it was really easy to fix. So I would definitely recommend this. I got this off Amazon. Very cheap, very easy to use. These bins that I'm using, I've had for such a long time. They're from Dollar Tree and they store way more than you think they would. And for $1, I mean, you can't beat it. So definitely recommend these as well. This is probably my favorite project ever, was propagating from a snake plant. My roots have finally grown in, so I'm going to pot this in some soil and add it to the top of the vanity. I downloaded this picture off of Etsy and I think it's just super cute, like very to the point and simple. And then this towel I actually found from the thrift store. It was $1 and it kind of just tied in that terracotta color that's going on in our bedroom and just ties the whole room together. And this was the final result. I hope that this gave you guys some motivation and some inspiration, especially while we're all going through this really tricky time. I know I've been pretty anxious, and honestly doing these kinds of things are a positive distraction. And I hope that's what you guys could take away from it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting a new video this Sunday. Okay, bye guys.